What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm going to be working on the Dart. We're going to try to take off this rear bumper cover. Let's jump into it. I've never done this before. There's no tutorials on the YouTube anywhere. I'm going to start with trying to take out this 8mm bolt and then work our way up, I think right in there. So let's go ahead and take this one off and see how it goes. Alright, so we got that one out. I'm looking underneath the bumper here, and it looks like we need to take that one out. So I'm going to take that one out next. See what size it is. That's right under the car. So this is the next screw I decided to take off. I think the bottom ones are part of something else. Like I said, this is the first time doing it. There's no tutorials online, so we're going to figure this out as we go along. So there's one there, and there's one up there. So we're going to take those off and see how it goes. Alright, so we took off the screw down there. There is another one. I'm trying to get the camera there, right there. There's another one right there. And there's one above right there, right by the bumper. So that's as far as we gotten. I'm gonna start pulling on it and see if hopefully nothing breaks, but kind of pulled on it here already, and it feels like it's loosened up. Look at all that stuff coming out of it. So yeah, let me keep trying and we'll continue with the video. So I went ahead and removed the bolts down here from the bottom. There's 1, 2, and the 2 over there in the corners. Now I'm on the other side, and this side is an empty hole. We went ahead and did that top screw here. I gotta do these here. Now I've run into a problem. I think that's a clip or a rivet. It would have to be removed from the inside. So on the other side, I don't know exactly how that's going to work. Kind of looks like there's a screw up there. So we'll keep going. I'll let you guys know. So continuing on, since the other side was broken, I just started pulling and I got up to here. What you need to do is take off the tail lights because there's more clips in there. So there was 2 bolts right there, nuts, whatever you want to call it, and disconnected them, and I've got more pull, so I'm gonna keep pulling. So there it goes. Okay, the other side is broken, so I'm probably gonna just pull from here and try to get into it, but we'll keep trying. Let's keep going. All right, guys, so here is where I'm at. Basically everything's off. You gotta have to take this off the bumper. All the screws and all that are off. There's 2 underneath. I don't know if I can get you guys in there. Right there is a screw, and right there we're gonna go underneath and unscrew it, and that should be it. The bumper should come out. Pretty cool, guys. All right, guys, so you can see the bumper's out. So the screws, when you look underneath that that cover that's down there, you'll see these 2 holes with screws underneath. Took those 2 off, and the bumper cover came right off. I'm probably going to take this off and use that for the new bumper. I'm not sure if it's going to come with it, and we'll go ahead and remove these extra like tailpipe covers. But yeah, guys, this is how you do take off the bumper cover on a 2013 Dodge Dart. Guys, appreciate you guys watching. I'll be doing the front bumper soon. If you guys want to stay or tune in again to the channel and check that out, I'll have it up soon. Also, we're going to be trying hot glue gun. Where's that dent? I'm going to try hot glue gun and try to pop that dent out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. It's pretty bad. We're going to try it, guys. All right, like I said, appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.